Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are talking about a smartphone that is going to absolutely melt your brain. Can you imagine a device with a camera so powerful it forces you to lock your DSLR in the closet forever? A phone with processing power that leaves your high-end laptop eating dust. If you think that sounds impossible, buckle up, because today we're revealing Nokia's wildest dream that is about to become a reality, the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G 2026. This isn't just a minor upgrade. This is a seismic shift in the tech world, so let's not waste a second and dive straight into the features that make this device unlike anything else on the planet. Features of the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Display. Let's kick things off with the display. Imagine holding a massive 6.9-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED screen, but it's not just a screen, it's an IMAX theater experience right in your pocket. With HDR10 plus support, the colors are so vibrant and real, it'll feel like they're popping right out of the glass. Combine that with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and every scroll, every swipe, and every gaming session is going to feel fluid, almost like sliding on ice. And if you're worried about drops or scratches, don't be, because it's shielded by the ultra-tough Gorilla Glass Armor 2, giving you premium beauty with military-grade strength. Camera setup. But the real magic, the thing that has the whole tech community shaking, is the camera setup. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G is rocking a quad camera system with a main sensor that sounds like fiction, 500 megapixels. You heard that right, 500. This isn't just a number, it's a revolution. With advanced OIS support, this thing captures night shots where every shadow and detail is perfect. It captures more detail than your eye can even see, effectively retiring the DSLR for good. Backing that up is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens for landscapes, a 32 megapixel macro lens that turns a single drop of water into a whole new world, and an 8 megapixel depth sensor. And for the selfie lovers, the front rocks a massive 50 megapixel shooter, so your video calls are about to look studio quality. Performance. To handle a camera that crazy, you need a brain that's just as powerful, and this phone's heart is Qualcomm's upcoming flagship, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Rumor has it we've never seen a chip like this in a smartphone before. Whether it's heavy gaming, 4K video editing, or multitasking with a dozen apps, this phone slices through tasks like a hot knife through butter. And naturally, it's all running on the Android 16, giving you the absolute bleeding-edge software experience. Battery backup. Now, what's the point of all this power if it dies by noon? That's where the battery comes in. The Nokia Turbo Pro is packing a monstrous 8500 mAh battery. We are talking about 2 to 3 days of battery life on a single charge. Even heavy users will cruise through the day effortlessly. And when you finally do run out, you get a 110-watt superfast charger in the box. You plug it in, go grab a cup of coffee, and by the time you're back, you're fully charged. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question: what is this dream phone going to cost, and when can we buy it? According to leaks and reports, Nokia is aiming to drop this bombshell on the global market by the end of 2026. As for the price, in the USA market, it's tipped to start around $900 USD. For these kinds of specs, that price point makes this phone an absolute game changer.